Good morning, all of you. I'm Chaitanya, working as Assistant Professor in BBC Institute of Technology and Science. Now I'm going to discuss about functions of HR manager, functions of human resource manager. So human resource is an important part of any organization or a company. If they are so important, then it becomes the duty of the concern to provide the best working atmosphere. First, we need to understand the what is HRM. What is human resource management? So human resource management is a procuring, developing, maintaining of to the human resources in organization. It means human resource department are responsible for the employee recruitment, employee selection and employee training, and to provide career development programs, and also to maintain better relations into the organization, to perform various activities. In smaller companies, some HR managers to perform all of the department functions with an HR assistant that handles administrative matters regardless of the size of department or the company. A HR manager should have the skills to perform every HR function if necessary. So HR manager functions basically relate to managing and developing human resources for achievement of organizational objectives. He performs a lot of activities looking to organizational needs, requirement, strategy and goal. So every organization is made of people. HRM is all about acquiring services of people and also developing their skills and motivating them to the foremost level and making sure that they continue to maintain their commitment towards organization. So in smaller companies, one or two HR professionals may be hired to handle all of the companies HR needs, but in larger organizations, the duties are divided between the several employees or an entire department. So the HR functions include managerial functions and operative functions. They perform managerial functions and operative functions. Managerial functions and operative function. First one is planning HR programs and procedures. Planning of to the HR programs and procedures. So HR is a must in an organization. So to get the right number and right kind of human resources at the right of a company need and to motivate, prepare and develop to the HR to perform task. The person is in charge of such job. So human resources is a change agent and also business partner and also administrative expert to act as an employee advocate. Okay, and next one, coordinating of to the HR activities. Act as a coordinating of HR activities. HR managers ensure that the HR policies, programs are carried out by line functions by way of providing effective effort and coordinating of the activities concerned departments, and also controlling of functions. Controlling of to the HR functions to measure to the performance of to the each activity. It includes to take a corrective actions. HR manager monitor the performed as per plan designed, and also working as job analyst. Working as job analyst. So this operative function is carried out by him as a job analyst through preparation of a job description and job specification. Job analyst is a job description and job specification. So job description means is a what is job. So job title, job location, working conditions, salary, working atmosphere and equipments, etc. So job description is a what are the requirement of to employee to perform a job, like education qualifications, skills, knowledge, experience, etc. And also designing and developing recruitment and selection method. So recruitment and selection, those are separate. So recruitment is a finding and attracting of to the capable applicants. Recruitment is a finding and attracting of to the capable applicants. So selection is a to put to the right person to the right job, to put the right person to the right job. Next one, placement of personnel. So after selecting the right personnel, the whole process may go waste if proper placement is not made. It is the task of the HR executive to see that the people selected or placed at the right job. And next one, induction and orientation. Next one, induction and orientation. After placement, employees need induction and orientation for increased knowledge, skills, company policies, rules and regulations, work environment, career planning, and for introduction to the people with whom they will work. And the next one, preparing employees for performance of future job. Preparing of employees for performance of to the present job and future job. First one, preparing of employees to perform present job. HR managers ensures to provide training to those employees who lag behind the expected level of competency, skills, knowledge, to them to show their worth in their organization. Okay, and the next one, preparing employees for performance of future jobs. Preparing employees for performance of future jobs. So today organization is very much dynamic, change in the brand of products and also services. HR managers looks to these areas and imports necessary inputs to employees through training and counseling so that they can accomplish our future goals or future assignments. And the next one, evaluation of to the performance, means performance evaluation. Evaluate to the employee performance. Evaluation of to the performance of employee into the organization. The HR managers designs and develops employee performance review format. So the HR managers to design the review format. It gives the clear idea about the effectiveness of the to the employees and the potentialities for promotion as well as. And the next one, designing career development programs to provide. They also HR departments to provide career development programs to the employees. The HR executive design various development programs for placement of employees in different roles. It is done through the process of role analysis and job rotation, job creation and outcomes and work groups. So job rotation means to move one job to another job. To move one job to another job. And also developing and implementing compensation plans and employee benefit programs. Compensation. So to pay to the salaries, other incentives, increments, bonus. Developing and implementing compensation plans and employee benefits. So the HR manager develops a compensation plans and benefit programs and implement human resource management in order to create happy working force in an organization. These are the functions of HR manager.